Hello, everyone. My name is Dwayna. I hope everyone is doing well. I apologize in advance if I come off a little scripted. I get really nervous doing introductory videos, so it is helpful for me to write down the responses so that I'm not stumbling while I'm speaking. I want to start by explaining my first year placement. My first year placement was a worksite placement. I worked with the Philadelphia Corporation for Aging and the Caregiver Support Program. I also work as an assessment worker. My job duties include assessing consumers in their home to determine federal eligibility for long-term in-home services or facility services. My experience working with families includes being a case manager to pregnant women and their children with the Healthy Start program. I was also a pregnancy and parenting educator, providing pregnancy and parenting classes to families in the Southwest Philadelphia area and Chester, PA area when I worked for Catholic Social Services. And lastly, providing assessment and resources to the elderly population and their families that are seeking in-home or facility placement. I grew up with my mother and father. I'm the oldest of two daughters. My sister is intellectually disabled, so I always felt like a second mother to her. I am extremely close to my maternal immediate family, my aunts and cousins. I was also very maternal as a child, taking care of my sister and my cousins. I actually had my first child at the age of 16 going on 17. Because I have been so maternal and nurturing at such a young age, that led me to care for my clients and translate that into my work. One question I have is, how can the cycle of toxic family relationships be broken? All right, I thank you and I look forward to this class.